Hi. So I will discuss some more problems in this section. Okay, listen carefully. Alright. This is also one of the important problem, JE problem. So look here. The problem is integral dx by sin power half x into cos to the power of 7 by 2x. 7 by 2 means 3 and half. This is a half. So how to solve this problem means you can solve this problem. Here half is there. Here 3 and half is there. So first of all, so look here in denominator sin to the power of 1 by 2x cos power 7 by 2x, that is equals to here multiplying and dividing with cos to the power of half x, multiplying and dividing. So multiplication means here, so multiplying, what I am telling, listen, sin power, so multiplying and dividing with, that means sin to the power of 1 by 2x cos to the power of 1 by 2x 7 by 2x into cos to the power of 1 by 2x by cos to the power of 1 by 2x. Okay, so here 7 by 2 is there, 3 and half. So basis equal power should be added. 3 and half plus half, totally 4. Sin by cos tan is equals to tan 1 by 2x into cos to the power of 4x. That value is cos power 5. So let us take, instead of sin power half x, cos power 7 by 2x is nothing but tan power half x cos to the power of 4. So this is equals to, then the given problem becomes 1 by, so this is denominator is equals to, that is tan power half means that is tan x root tan x into cos to the power of 4x is equals to 1 by cos secant, that is secant power 4x by root of tan x dx. Okay, so secant power 4 is there. Secant power 4 can be written as secant square x into secant square x. This equals to secant square x into secant square x by root of tan x into dx. Okay, right. Here secant square is there. Secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square. 1 plus, look here, 1 plus tan square into secant square x by square root of tan x dx. Okay, now problem becomes very simple. So put here tan x is equals to t. Tan x equals to t. So tan x equals to t, derivative of tan x. Otherwise take t square also, there is no problem at all. So okay, tan x equals to t. So this is secant square x dx is equals to dt. Substituting these values here. So this equals to, so tan x equals to t means 1 plus t square into secant square x dx means that is dt. So dt by this is root t. Okay, root t. Now split this one, 1 by root t one part, t square by root t another part. So 1 by root t means that is t power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus t square by root t means t square by root t take in numerator t power minus half, that is t power 3 by 2 dt. Now do the integration. T power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 means 2 root t, that value is 2 root t, t power half plus, that means t to the power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. Okay, got it? So that is the value. Now 2 root t plus, that is that one. Okay, right, listen all of some remaining left. So substituting that value, simple, the remaining is 2 root 2t plus 5 by 2 means 2 by 5, so t power 5 by 2 plus c. Okay, so here 2 is there, here 2 by 5 is there. So take 2 by 5 root 2t common, that is 1 plus, so take 2 by common, so that is 5 plus, this is nothing but 5 plus t power 2k, take common, that is t square plus c. Got it? How to take common? So take common like this. So this equals to, so t means what? T means tan x. So that is 2 by 5 root of tan x, 5 plus, so tan square, tan, so t means tan, that is why this is tan square x plus c. This is the solution of this problem. Okay, listen. Okay students, the next problem is here, look here, The problem is integral 1 by x into 6 log x whole square plus 7 log x plus 2 into dx. That is the problem. Right, how to solve this problem means put log x is equals to derivative of log x 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Right, substituting these values here. This is 1 by x dx equals to, that is dt by 6t square plus 7t plus 2. Right, here so I will write this one in perfect square method. That's why I take 6 common here. Is equals to 1 by 6 into, so 1 by, this is t square plus 7 by 6t plus 1 by 3 dt. Right, now this is a square plus 2ab. I have to write this one in perfect square. That's why 1 by 6 into, look here, how to write this one, that is very very important. So this is t square, that is this is t square, okay. So 2 into a means t, so b means here 7 by 12. So 2 6 times cancel, so 7 by 6t, that is correct. That's why adding b square 7 by 12 whole square, at the same time minus 7 by 12 whole square subtract minus 1 by 3 dt. Now, so look here, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, this equals to 1 by 6 into, so here taking common 1 by 6 into, this is 1 by, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is t plus 7 by 12 whole square. Now do the simplification. This is 49 by 144 minus 1 by 3. Adding and subtracting. Minus 1 by 3. Totally this value is minus 1 by 144. That value is 1 by 4 times. This is 49 minus. So that's why that value is 144. So 1 by 144. That value is, so 144. This is plus 1 by 3. That's why this is 144. Okay. So 1 by 144 also can be written as, so this is 1 by 12 whole square into dt. This is just like that, integral 1 by x square minus a square. X square minus a square means this equals to 1 by 6 into 1 by 2a. 2a means 1 by 12 into log of x minus a by, so t plus 7 by 12 minus 1 by 12 by t plus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus c. Right, do the simplification. Here 6 times cancel. So the remaining is log of, look here. So this is t plus, so 7 minus 1, 6 by 12 means, so this is 1 by 2 by t plus, here also same 8 by 12. 8 by 12 means what? 8 by 12, that is 8 by 12. So this is 2 by 3. That value is 2 by 3, so plus c. Right, take LCM here. So in numerator LCM 2t plus 2 by 2t plus 2 by 2, 2t plus 1 by 2. In denominator 3t plus 2 by 3 plus c. Right, look here. So here 2 by 3, totally that value becomes, is equals to log of, look here, 3 by 2 into 2t plus 1 by 3t plus 2. 3t plus 2 plus c. Got it? T equals to what? T value log x. That's why here 3 by 2. This is, look here, all of you observe this one. This is log mn. M means 3 by 2. N means this value 2t plus 1 by 3t plus 3t plus 2. That value is. Log mn means log m plus log n. Log m means log of 3 by 2 plus constant. That's why you have to get another constant. Now this implies that is the final value is 2 in log x plus 1 by 3 log x plus 2 plus another constant c. This is the solution of this problem. Okay? Right. Thank you. Thank you very much.